So 10th D class, I'm going to start the topic of call span today. Yes, Daksh, I'm very happy your video is on. Thank God. At last you are in the lecture. Good. I appreciate Daksh. Very good. अब ऐसे ही पढ़ना है रोज, ठीक है? We start with the HTML tag. The first tag, as I told you, we start with the HTML tag, followed by the head tag, followed by the title tag. The title tag is enclosed inside the head tag. I am giving the title call span and close the title tag. I am closing the head tag over here. I am starting with the body tag and I am giving the background color of the body gray. I am giving the background color of the body gray. Now I start with the table tag. My first attribute, border. I am giving the size of the border 5. Okay. Sometimes in instructions in the paper, the line is written, the size of border is 5. And what 10th class students they do? They write like this. Border size. This is wrong. वो साइज वर्ड सिर्फ आपको थोड़ा कंफ्यूज करने के लिए लिख दिया है. बाय साइज द टीचर मींस द थिकनेस ऑफ द बॉर्डर. यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट द बॉर्डर. You don't have to write border size. Size means the thickness. Don't write the word size. Just border equal to 5. Right? I am taking the BG color, the background color of the table as pink. Body background color is gray. The background color of table is pink. Okay. Then I am taking the border color as red. Red is the color of the border. Clear? I am taking width of the table 250. You can take any figure, 300 as per your convenience. I am taking 250. First row, TR. My first row is header row. I want my first row to be the header row. Header row always starts from TH. TH tag stands for table header. Am I clear up till here? Daksh, Vanita, Divyansh, Jia, Chahat. Am I clear to all? Up till here. All right. Now I told you in the last lecture, row span and call span, they are attributes of TD and TH. रो स्पैन और कॉल स्पैन कभी भी टेबल और टीआर में नहीं होते. दे आर ओनली द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ टीडी एंड टीएच. राइट? I am taking call span 3. If all of you are having one notebook in front of you, do one thing. If all of you, कोई पेज हो, कोई नोटबुक हो, हॉरिजॉन्टल एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो, 3 कॉलम बनाओ, मेक 3 कॉलम्स एंड ड्रॉ अ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन जो 3 कॉलम को स्पैन करती जाए. Draw a line in the horizontal direction that should span 3 columns. Banu, draw it. Now your movement is horizontal. Maths का ग्राफ याद करो. X axis, Y axis. X axis to be horizontal. So draw a horizontal line जो 3 कॉलम को स्पैन करती जाए. You will get to know what I mean by call span. 3 means 3 columns are span. I am writing here result. I am writing here result. I close the th tag and I close the first row. TH stands for table header. It is the header row. Header row has two important features. The data in the header row is by default centrally aligned. It is by default bold. Okay. Now I start with the next row, that is the second row, which is the normal row. My first cell, roll number. Okay. My next cell, name. Okay. My third cell, marks, and I close the third row. Second row I close, sorry. Second row is closed. Now I go with the third row. I copy paste it. I go with the third row. Here I start writing the roll number, name, marks. Okay. Then I go with the next row, roll number 2, name, and marks. I'm giving 89. Okay. Here I close my table tag. Here I close the body tag. And here finally I close the HTML tag. Click on the file menu. Click on the save option. Under the documents, I'm giving the name callspan 10th d.html. Right? Let us see the browser view. You can see the browser view. See how result is appearing. Spanning across 3 columns. Merging across 3 columns. Merging across 3 columns. See the movement horizontal. Horizontally जा रहा है ये. Span करता हुआ 3 columns को horizontal direction में जा रहा है. Now, second thing you check. Result is appearing in center. It is in bold form as compared to rest of the text. As compared to rest of the text. If I'm clear with the call span, immediately raise your thumb. To those I'm clear, raise your thumb fast so that I can count how many are in the lecture. Srishti. Okay. Gitanshu Kapoor, your thumb is not raised. Manmeet, your thumb is not raised. All right. Lakshay Mago, thumb is not raised. Prabjot. Okay. Now I make one more change. I make one more row. Okay. And here in the first cell, I write call span equal to 2. Call span equal to 2. 2 means 2 columns will be span. Okay. I'm writing here data not available, and in the last cell I'm writing I am leaving empty cell. How you can give empty cell? Empty cell means a cell having no content, a cell having no data. When you want to give the empty cell, just write opening TD and closing TD. Am I clear? Just write opening TD tag and closing TD tag. It will give you the empty cell. I have a question. Those who know the answer, first of all, they will on their video, then they will raise their hand. Okay? Why I have taken only 2 TD tag inside the last row? बाकियों में मैंने 3 लिए, इसमें मैंने 2 ही लिए. Who will tell? Why I have taken just 2 TD tag inside the last row? Princey, first of all, be on the video, then I will unmute you. Whosoever wants to give the answer, okay. Yes, Princey, unmute yourself, beta.
Sir, because 2 cells will be merged.
Very right, very correct. Excellent response. 2 cells are merged. See here. टोटल 3 कॉलम्स हैं, 2 तो मर्ज ही हो गए, 2 सेल्स तो मर्ज ही हो गए. वी आर लेफ्ट विद थर्ड. दिस इज द थर्ड सेल. ऑल राइट, let us see the browser view. See here, see the last cell first of all, empty cell. The last cell is empty cell having no data. Am I clear with the concept of call span? All right, next concept. Row span is okay, call span is okay. What if I want to have row and call span together in one table? I want to have row span and call span together in one table. What to do? See here. Come to the last cell of third row. This cell. Last cell of the third row. 98 marks are there. I want to give this 98 marks to both the students, Aditya and Ashish. दोनों के मार्क्स सेम है, तो why don't we make them merging in one cell? What I will do, click here, give the space, row span equal to 2. क्योंकि मेरे को 2 सेल मर्ज करके जाना है वर्टिकली. I have to go vertically down. Whenever I say row span, I am going vertically down. Whenever I say call span, I am going horizontally across. ये डायरेक्शंस को ध्यान में रखना बस. If my this cell is merged with last cell of the fourth row, how many cells will be in the fourth row? Just 2. Just 2 cells. This cell will be eliminated. This cell will be eliminated. Let us see the browser view. See. Clear 10th D class? Am I totally clear? All right. Let us go with the new attribute. Come to the table tag, this tag. Okay. I am writing here one attribute, border color light. One single word, no space. Border color light. One single word without any space. Let us see the browser view. Border is appearing on the right and at the bottom. Border is appearing at the right and at the bottom. I show this in the Internet Explorer. Now see carefully. See the right and the bottom side. The border is of dark gray shade something. The border is visible in red color in left and the top side. This is the view of Internet Explorer. The border in red color is appearing on top and the left side. No color on the left, on the right and the bottom. Now I'm giving one more attribute, border color dark equal to yellow. Border color dark equal to yellow. See, when you will give attribute border color dark, the border will appear on the right and at the bottom side. When you will give border color light, the border color will be visible for the top and the left border. I again repeat, when you will give border color light, the color will appear on the top and the left side, the red color. Right now you can see the red color, that is the border color light, top and left. When you are giving border color dark attribute, the border color will be visible on the right and at the bottom side of the table. I hope the concept is totally clear. Yes, class. Am I clear up till here? Bisam, Jia. All right. I show the coding once again. Yeah. Don't give the space over here. It is one word. Don't give the space. It is one single word. So, concerning border, you have 4 attributes in table tag: border, border color light, border color dark. I again repeat, border color light, border color and border color dark. Okay, clear? All right. Now I want to give the header row green color. I want my header row to be appearing in the green color. For that, click in the TR of the header row. Give the BG color equal to green. Click inside the TR tag of the header row and give the attribute BG color and give the value green. Your header row will be appearing in green color. Clear? Am I clear totally? All right. I give you 1 minute. All of you go through the coding. I'm giving you 1 minute. All of you go through the coding minutely. Because in this table, I have taken both call span as well as row span attribute. Okay. Tenth D concept is clear to everyone. Border color light means to specify the color for the top and the left side of the table. Top and the left side. See the red color. Laksh, see the red color. Only red color. Top and the left side. Border color dark will display the color of the right and the bottom side of the table. Now see the yellow color. Is the meaning clear now? Laksh? All right.